Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're painting this beautiful and relaxing landscape together. It's super easy and quick. Perfect for anyone who just wants to take a break from everything, play with colors and enjoy the process. For this painting, I use watercolor, a few brushes, tissue paper, water and watercolor paper, but you can use whatever material you have at home. Oh, and before we start, sorry if the focus isn't super sharp on my paper. I want to capture this beautiful light in my frame, but my camera had trouble focusing properly. It's not a big deal because I add detail later and you can see what I do with color and how I add color on my paper. You can start with any color you like. This is your painting. Create your own magical sky. I start with blue and I add yellow, pink and a little bit green. You can adjust amount of each color however you like. For example, you can use more pink and less blue to create a beautiful pinkish sky. Just keep in mind that as always we begin with light and diluted paint and gradually we add more paint. And make sure when you want to add more paint, your paper is still wet. I like to dab the color in soft random way to make the sky look like it have fluffy clouds. Once the sky is done, we let it dry completely before moving on to these cute feathery plants. Do you enjoy painting sky and landscape as much as I do? I absolutely love creating dreamy sky and landscape. It feels like I'm right there, living inside color and brush strokes. It's such a magical experience. How do you feel when you paint? Let me know in the comment. Here I made a mistake and I add too much color on my sky that I don't like it, so I wash my brush with clean water and use to fade the edges. When you finish the sky and let it dry completely, we move on to next layer. I mix blue and brown to make dark shade, and as you can see, I draw plants with a few random crazy line, and after that I add detail. By the way, what's your favorite flower? I love all kind. Flowers are one of the most beautiful things in nature. And hey, would you like to see more flower painting? Or maybe animal? What about fruit? Let me know what you like me to paint next. I love to hear your idea. that's it. To finish, I'm just add some final touch to make the color pop. I really fell in love with this painting. Do you enjoy this video? Do you like this painting? If you try this painting, don't forget to share with me. I really like to see your painting. I have lots of simple watercolor tutorial on my channel, so feel free to check them out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. Here I try to add texture on my sky. We do this. I really like this move. And now the moment every artist loves, peeling off the tape and relieving that crisp, clean border around the painting. Ta-da-da-da! That's it. See you in next video.